How to find Starbucks rewards, terms, and key rules. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Starbucks rewards, terms, and key rules are like this. First one is earning stars. Stars cannot be earned on purchases of alcohol, Starbucks cards, or Starbucks card reloads. Earn 1 star per $1 spent when you scan your member barcode in the app. And also Starbucks rewards benefits are available at participating Starbucks stores. Not all stores have the ability to honor rewards at this time. You can visit Starbucks store locator and search for location honoring reward redeem as well. And the benefits: free refills available during same in-store visit only. To qualify for the birthday reward, you must have made at least 1 star earning transaction. And for redeeming rewards cannot be redeemed for alcoholic beverages or multi-serve items. You can pay the difference for any beverages customization over $1 or any merchandise item over 20. And this is how to find Starbucks reward terms and key rules. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.